Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I got this really cool product. If you guys don't remember, I actually reviewed before. It's by a brand called ESDDI, and pretty much what it is a flash photography accessory. So let me show you guys what I mean. So I have this product right here, which is a Canon T3i. So this is my first ever camera that I actually got that is a DSLR that actually works really well. So one of my friends wanted me to take a picture of them with my camera because of the fact that I have a DSLR, so why not? And then right in time when I got this product, I actually got this amazing product that's by ESDDI, and I actually got a lot of products by them. And so you guys don't remember, I reviewed a product that is like a ring light, and then this product and a tripod, and I believe there was a LED light as well, but the ring light is definitely better than that. Ever since I got this product to now, there was one of you guys that actually wanted me to actually show you guys how to set it up and how to use this product. So this product is actually all set up right now, but let me actually unset it up so you guys can see how to actually work it. So you guys asked me, how do you actually set it up, or how do you guys set the trigger? So how it works is pretty much you have this product right here, and then all you have to do is just slide it on here, and then twist this component on the bottom right here to make it tight. And then as long as it's tight, then it'll lock it in and it'll work. And then let's turn on the camera right now. And then turn on this component right here as well, the on switch. Alright, so you guys heard it's on now. So pretty much all you have to do is that, and then that's pretty much the camera is all set up. So let me show you the example. So now it should work. Alright, so if you guys heard that and you guys see all the flash, then you guys know that it actually works. Some of the good things and bad things I have to say about this product is the fact that the pictures and quality of the product definitely up the game when you take it, because of the fact that the flash definitely makes a huge difference in your pictures. It makes your pictures more brighter, more high quality, high def and whatnot, so you're pretty much getting it all in one. If you guys don't remember, this product actually comes with a remote. This remote is actually really useful, and the battery it uses is not the same as this one. For this flash accessory that's by ESDDI, it actually uses 4 AA batteries, whereas the remote itself does not use that much. This one only uses one 12A or 12 watts battery, if you guys can see right there. Let me focus it for you guys. Right there, if you guys can see, 12 watts. So it's a mini battery, and a lot of these batteries are meant for like doorbells and whatnot. All you have to do is just click this little button if you guys want to test it. And if you guys want to turn it on, just click the side button, and there's other options on the back as well to control it to whatever setting you guys want to take it. This component right here is very nice because of the fact that you guys actually lock it onto your DSLR, or you don't want to lose it. But right now I have the flash accessory right here locked in, so I can't use it. But when you guys are not using it, you guys can actually lock it on there, so you guys won't lose it and you guys know where exactly it is. So another good thing about the actual flash photography or accessory right here is the fact that you can actually adjust the angle of it as well. So you guys can go up, you guys can go 90 degrees, however you want to make the flash. So you guys can make a better high quality depending where you want to flash a certain light, so you can make it look better for your image. Another accessory on here as well is that once you pull this component out right here, shade it or make it look better with the extra accessory right here that comes in the flash accessory right here. And then the setting, if you guys look in the back of the product right here, you have on and off switch, but you also have like the mode, you have the zoom, and you have all the other functionalities on here to control whatever mode you want. If you guys want zoom mode, whatever the case may be, it's all on here. So that's the good part about the product. The bad part about the product is the fact that when you take a lot of pictures, so for example like this, if you keep going on like that, you take like, I don't know, 200, 300 pictures, the battery will run out really fast, and you guys probably don't want that to happen. That happened to me because I took a lot of pictures from my friend. Because of the fact that I did that, or I took so much pictures so fast, the battery died so fast that I didn't have extra batteries, so then we had to switch off to another camera or another phone to actually take more pictures. But pretty much to answer the question of whether or not it's still worth it after that long to now, I still have to say that the product is actually really worth it, and I do highly recommend getting one of these if you guys want one, because it's definitely up your photography game because of the flash, because it makes everything much clearer, much more high quality. So it is worth it, and I do highly recommend getting this product, or any ESDDI brand products. I do highly recommend getting one of them because you're getting a really good deal for a really good price for a really good quality product, And not a lot of people out there nowadays do that because they charge you more for a single product and they don't even provide you other stuff. Like for example, this flash accessory, it only gives you a flash for some companies, but this one gives you a flash accessory. They give you the remote, they give you the actual product itself with a case. So that's very, very nice. So they give you everything all in one, which is really, really cool. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing, testing, and feedback. And finishing one of the requests to actually do this video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have